your bird goes fly from this cage? So today's video is for you. Today I will show you how to work inside the cage. When you change the food or water inside the cage or clean the bird's home, then there is a lot of fur to get out from the cage. Those who start keeping new birds, more birds fly from them. When we go to feed them birds, this accident happens more often. Without further ado, let's see how to get rid of this mishap to open this cage door. Do not fully open the door when opening it. Place one hand flat on the door opening. Now enter the other hand with a side part as I have shown the video. Similarly, if you want, you can use the other hands in this way as per your convenience. Watch this part of this video repeatedly if necessary. As of today I am leaving. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.